Do you also dream about a job that doesn't stress you? A job that won't require you to work full effort for 8 hours? A job that won't push you to wake up early in the morning and rush to listen to the orders of your boss that always sees your mistakes? I know many of us want some freedom. A freedom where you can do whatever you want while also earning money. Do you want to work holding your time and working anywhere you go? Well, that's possible through online jobs. If you're looking for an online opportunity, then you have to watch this video. Because in today's video, I'll show you the websites that can help you earn up to $600 per day. Yes, that's a huge amount of money you can get. But make sure you stay until the end of this video, because later on, I'll share with you some bonus tips and free tools you can use to earn money right away. Hi, welcome to Daily Cash Flow, a channel that shows you all the best sites on where to make money online with all the best ways on how to make that money. So before we get to the video, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you don't miss a single video. So before I introduce the main star of this video, let me first share with you this website called Amazon.com, specifically in the Kindle book section. As you can see, there are literally a lot of books here with different genres. Many people like purchasing ebooks rather than hard copy books because they can also sell digital copies to anyone. Many people are using this platform to buy and sell ebooks. Don't worry, you won't have to pay for anything when you want to sell ebooks. Uploading ebooks are free here. You can do it without any prior knowledge or resources. Simply copy and paste from a template that's already been created. Yes, you heard it right. There's already a done-for-you template that you can use. I'll show you how to do that in this video and how to earn money. Now, let's go to the next website called visme.co. Millions of people are using this website all around the world. Without any prior experience, you can create incredible and professionally written ebooks using this website. Now, you don't have to make your templates and content because you can already get them on this website. What's more incredible is that you can sell them for a higher price. Now, do you want to know how to use the website? There are only 3 simple steps that you should follow. And here's step number 1. Select any of these ready-to-use templates. You can choose from various templates, and later on, I'll show you the best template to use. Step number 2, after selecting a ready-to-use template, you can edit the text and change the font, color, and style. You can do anything you want on the template to make it more appealing. So, make sure you'll design it better than the original. And step number 3, go to Amazon, where you can publish the free ebook and make a lot of money online. Let's dive into some more detailed instructions so you'll know everything you need to do. Here on visme.co, click the Create tab at the top of the website and select Documents so that you can make professional visual documents here easily. You can customize the documents and reports. This website offers all of the templates, charts, and tables made for you. Now, click the blue button that says Create a free document. You'll be directed to this page where you can sign up by using your email and password. Or, for much easier registration, you can just use your Google or your Facebook account. After you sign up and log into your account, this is what your dashboard should look like. You can make presentations, documents, infographics, social media, web graphics, and more. Under the Documents section, you can make all of these sample documents. Here, they have reports, plans, proposals, magazines, resumes, cover letters, newsletters, ebooks, surveys, report cards, and many more. There are a lot of available documents here. But of course, in this video, we'll concentrate on ebooks. Now, click the ebooks icon. And so you'll see the templates right here. They are professionally made, as you can see. Their designs are so beautiful. So, try to scroll down and you'll see a lot of ready-to-use templates. Here's the first bonus tip that I want to share with you. By the way, just a quick reminder, if you like this channel, please do subscribe so you don't miss out learning new methods about making money online. We upload a lot of videos on this channel, so there's a lot of money-making methods that we can show you, and you can use either your laptop, computer, or phone. Most of them are free. Also, hitting that like button really helps out. thanks for your time. This is Daily Cash Flow. Back to the video. Here on Kindle, you can sell different genres of books. When we look at the left section of the website, there are a lot of categories here. There are books about arts and photography, computers and technology, politics and social sciences, and many more. But for this video, we'll focus on the health, fitness, and dieting category. You may be wondering why out of all these categories, we choose health and fitness. Well, because in this particular category, you can profit a lot from it since it has the least amount of competition. Now let's go back to the visme.co website. We'll look for a template related to health and fitness. I think this template right here is the most suitable one. If I click the preview button, it will show all of the pages of these templates. This is exactly a fitness ebook, so it's perfect for the category. Just look at how these pages were made. They were all quite beautifully made. This template also contains a lot of information about a healthy diet plan, a calorie guide, a beginner's guide to working out, and many more. It's packed with so much information that'll be helpful to a lot of people. Click the blue Use this template button if you think this is the best template. But I will use this template to show you what things there are that you can edit. Now we can edit this. Just change the title, the font style, and the size. One of the reasons why I love Visme is that they give access to this fantastic ebook cover image. Scroll down to view the table of contents as well as the template's contents. The author's name must be changed when you access the ebook's homepage. You're free to just leave all the designs like that, but it's better if you can alter them and make them more unique. In this part, enter your name or nickname. You also have to change the title to something related to health or fitness. And if you think the template is all good, click the download button at the top. Remember that you can do this on your computer or your phone, so that even if you don't have a laptop or a computer, your phone can help you make money online. Let's move on to the second bonus tip. This tip is all about increasing your income. I'll share another website that'll help you increase your earnings. The name of this website is freeplrdownloads.com. Some of you may be familiar with this, but for those who need to learn this website, Free PLR Downloads provides free PLR and MRR products. So first, what do we mean by PLR? PLR means private label rights. This is a type of license where the buyer could change some of the contents of the book and sell it under their name. This is an opportunity to select any book right here and download them for free. In the left section, you can see different niches available on this website. Again, we'll focus on health. So click the health category here, and you'll see different books that are available for free. Just scroll down to see how many books there are in this particular category. Now, for example, I'll choose this book right here. This is the book's description and other information about the book. Now scroll down until you see the blue download button. Just click on that to download the ebook. So there's no need to establish an account on this website. You can download the ebooks for free using your phone or your computer. There are numerous ebooks in the field of health available on this website, so you have a lot of choices. It's okay if you want to download everything about health, but you can also shift to another niche like business, internet marketing, finance, and many more. Using the free plrdownload.com website, you may select from a wide range of ebook categories in which you can now begin selling on Amazon and making a lot of money online. After obtaining the ebooks through freeplrdownload.com or visme.co, the next step is to upload them on Amazon. Go to kdp.amazon.com to start publishing your ebooks. In KDP or Kindle Direct Publishing, they ensure that your ebooks will be published in less than 5 minutes and will be available in Kindle stores worldwide within 72 hours. You also have complete control over the price list. You can set your own price list and make changes to your books anytime. You can publish Kindle ebooks and paperbacks for free on this website. To sign up, just click the sign up and don't have an Amazon account. Then go to New to KDP and then create your KDP account. Enter your name and email, create a password, and then voila, you'll have your KDP account. After signing up, you can now publish your ebooks on Amazon and let them automatically sell it to everyone worldwide. And that's it. I hope you learned something from today's video. Share your comments and thoughts down below at the comment section. Don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to this channel. We appreciate your time and hope to see you again in the next video. So that's it for today. I hope you learned something from today's video, and to get updated with the next videos, don't forget to hit the notification bell. See you next time.